In today's video, my car has been banished to the corner of the shop because I have some very cool, that's obviously for that. No, we have this, which is, for those of you who remember, forgive the crap in my car, for those of you who remember, this is in first gear. That should help. So, I need to disassemble the, ow, I just clapped my head. I need to disassemble the entire center console piece so that I can get here, and then I need to disassemble the shifter. This is not going to be fun. I've not necessarily enjoyed this the handful of times I've done it to the NA. I don't expect the NB to be any better.
Oh, anyway.
Okay, for future reference, for anyone with an NB that is also doing this, I don't know this, but, you know, so there's one this side, obviously one on that side, there's the two inside the middle of the console, and then I kept looking in here to see if they were in here. I didn't realize, but if you just take a flathead and you pop out the window switches, there's one in there. That is what I was struggling with. So now you guys know, that's how you remove the centerpiece. Well, looky what we found under the console. Remember how I was complaining that this one's super floppy and this one's nice and tight? It's because of this spring, and this spring clearly fell out. I'm assuming maybe like a plastic tab inside the thing broke and hence why it fell out. But looky. Anyway, onto this now. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what to do from here. So I'm just gonna investigate. Okay. To catch you guys up, basically I just got the rubber piece that sits over. Unfortunately, it's torn. I expected as much, honestly, when I pulled it apart. They all tear after a certain amount of time. We do have the trick that we did for the NA. Apparently a VW Golf, like a Mark 1 Golf axle boot is literally the exact same diameter. It literally fits correct, so you just cut this piece out and then just silicone glue that in and it replaces it, and then you just keep this piece. So I might end up doing that, but that's for future reference. For right now, we just got to take these bolts out to get to the actual shifter. So there's 3 little bolts that go around. This may take a while. Who knows? Whilst I have you, I will be 100% honest, I don't actually know where this is supposed to go, this brass fitting. I think it replaces the little white plastic cap that's at the bottom of the shifter, but I'm not actually sure, to be 1000% honest with you. And I tried finding Bro. Bro knows who Bro is. But Bro didn't answer his phone because he never answers his phone, especially for me. I think it's because Bro doesn't like me. But anyway, moving on. Now this bit I'm not excited for because this always ends up spilling oil, or at least on the NA it does. Ah, okay, doesn't seem too bad. Ah! This doesn't even have the little white plastic cap, so I'm very much assuming that is why there was so much shifter play. Okay, so for reference sake, these were the 3 little bolts you just got to take out, then it comes out, and as you can see, it's come out like this. This is a common issue on the MX-5s, that little white cap basically just disintegrates and, I don't know, dissolves somewhere within the gearbox, I suppose. Yeah, I can't really see anything else from here. It's very difficult to tell if anything else is in good or bad condition from here. But I'll try clean it up, and like I said, I'm just waiting for my dad and his input to kind of see what to do from here. The oil smells like oil, so it doesn't smell too grody, which to me means that the oil's in okay condition. It doesn't smell fantastic, but I mean, oil never really does. I think it's okay. Anyway, I will catch you guys up later when I know what I'm doing. Okay, so what I did is I just put the bushing in. As you guys can see, it basically just pops over the little thing, and then you just press it in, and we just got to line that back up and then put it in. But look how nice that, oh, it's so nice and stiff now. I'm very excited. Anyway, I'm going to put a time lapse now so you guys can see. all assembled, and look how stiff this is now. Oh, it's so nice, and it's now very clear going to reverse, because you got the first like pop to the right, and then you got that second pop. It's so nice and stiff. I love it. It feels really, really good. I guys, I kind of want for the NA now. Although I wanted to get a full short shifter kit for the NA, so I don't know, maybe. And then what I did show is, yes, I found the spring. Unfortunately, it looks like the plastic tab that actually holds the spring is broken. That's what I held up to the camera at the one point during the time lapse. So unfortunately, this can't be fixed until I get a new little plastic hook that then, or I do something essentially that then I can make it sit nicely like this. I might try replace both at the same time, I think, because I know that they are prone to fail, so I'm assuming this one is going to fail at some point also. So anyway, that's literally it for today's video. I haven't got much else to do. I have this piece that I want to fix, and the O-ring on the oil fill cap, there we go, that's the word I was looking for, that's also leaking, so I need to get a new one. But otherwise, this car is slowly coming together. And with that, that is actually the end of the episode. A pretty quick one, if I'm correct. So yeah, anyway, until next time, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and perhaps a comment down below. And if you enjoy seeing my videos, perhaps consider being a patron. There's a little thing at the end of the video that I talk about patrons. So yeah, or I mention them, I should say. But yeah, patrons get extra benefits and stuff. So yeah, until next time, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.